Oh, man. Wait, I'm going to stand here for a minute. Yo, that was crazy. There it is. Shh. Shh. Guys, we're hearing this humming. What was that? It stopped. Now, guys, we do have a road over here. There it goes again. Yo. What in the world is that, Frank? Yo, can you see anything up there? Can you see anything? Guys, it's dark because it's my backyard. See, this is my backyard. There's a road over that way. And this humming mechanical noise keeps coming on. I heard it in my house with all the windows shut. There it is. Guys, and it's like midnight. I don't know, man. That was weird. I ain't never heard anything like that. That's like some otherworldly shit. Man, I don't know. If I hear it again, I'll bring it back. Yo, now there's helicopters. Look. Now there's helicopters after that noise. What is going on? What is going on? Now I'm in my house, looking out my bedroom window. Oh my God, is that the noise again? Thought I could hear it faintly. I'm sorry it's so dark in my video because it's dark out. It's actually midnight. So, there goes the helicopter. Heading the way, I'm guessing, where the noise is coming from. And there it goes, guys. Alright, if I hear it again, I'll video it.